Hello YouTube, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. You could tell it's got me nice weather. I'm happy. I got my yard mowed and it took about an hour break and then the UPS man showed up. About 72 degrees, birds chirping, sun's out. You figure it's been a week. I mowed on a Saturday, so it's rained or sprinkled every day to the next Saturday, Sunday. Today is Monday. Here's where this came from. We'll just roll it real quick. So I always cover up my personal stuff. I expect if I send a package to somebody, they do the same thing. It's easy. Just put electrical tape over it. Masking tape you can see through. Here's how they package it. See where that's stapled in there? And it's worth taking all these staples out and pull them out with the pliers, because you can reuse this and send it to your friend with something in it. So here's how it's packaged. We'll take it out of here. I want to show this on camera. Oh. Man, do not ask me what this weighs. Okay, let me get this unwrapped. They shrink wrap, all your paperwork's here. Some technical stuff of what chemicals are in the metal, blah, blah, blah. All that, you know, that OSHA-approved safety stuff. So let me unwrap this big log of steel. Aluminum and brass and steel. And we shall show you a couple of them what they are. Okay, we split this open with a knife. Now we may be wrong what some of these diameters are because they're decimal. Like some of them didn't have half inch, so I got 7/16 or 9/16. Now these are 11 inch or random length. If you go there, if you buy something at 11 inch or random length, you'll get it cheaper. If you buy 1 foot, it's going to cost more. All the steel is going to be 12L14. What that means is it has lead in it, okay? So, 0.5625, you can do the math. It's at 9/16. 0.43 is 7/16. We know for a fact this is 3/4, even without a label. You can get the steel out of the way first. The one in the long video. This is, I can't tell you, it could be like 3/8 diameter. This should be, this I think is 5/8. They didn't have no half inch. Must have been out. And I doubled one. I made a mistake and doubled it. So these could be, here, one's got a sticker. 625, 5/8. This one's smaller than a 5/8. Like I said, I don't want to get too carried away with that. Now these are, if I remember right, 3/4 diameter aluminum. Now this is 62 aluminum. It has lead and bismuth in it. You can machine it really easy. It's not structural. It's not your hard, really hard aircraft type, you know, for strength aluminum. It's to make little doodads out of, and it polishes easy. So there's 2 of them. So this is a year's supply. Okay, brass we've got anywhere from 1/4 inch diameter if I want to do knife handles, 3/8 diameter. I'd almost guess that's like, could be 7/16. Okay, this I can't really tell you. I think I got 3/8 hexagon. Okay. And I know this is 1/4 inch hexagon. I'm going to make some little scribers or something. And the brass is C360. I don't want to get too technical. Some people, it's just metal, metal's metal. And here's a 1/2 inch. So I could be wrong. Something didn't have a 1/2 inch in, so I got something different. But I doubled. I made a mistake. I'd already set the order. I doubled it. I didn't put quantity of 2. I just put the product in there twice, which don't matter. There you go. You got a little bit of surface rust on some of it. There you go. There's a year's supply. I won't even tell you what it cost. I'm going to tell you now, the shipping's expensive. The shipping on this is like 25 bucks. It came from Ohio. And it was heavy. The tube was really heavy. So I want to really tell you what the metal cost. It was way too expensive. Like I said, it's a year's supply and then some. Because I don't do a whole lot of that little machining stuff in the winter time. So thanks for watching. We'll snap a couple photos of just a couple of the labels so you can kind of get an idea what type of metal it is.